There is a buzz around energy rebates in Canada. What are they, and how can I get them? Energy rebates are provided by the Government of Canada to incentivize homeowners to upgrade their home's energy efficiency. Now, the rebate that I'm referring to is the Canada Greener Homes Grant, and this you can receive up to $5,000 in energy rebates, plus an additional $600 for the required home energy audit. Now, here are a few examples of some rebates that you can qualify for. $1,800 for attic and air sealing, $250 for each window and glass sliding door replacement, $5,000 for an air source heat pump replacement, and $1,000 per kilowatt for solar panels, and much, much more. Now, if you want to go see the full list, you can check out our website at www.canadaenergyaudit.com. Now, how to get the energy audit is through a service organization like Canada Energy Audit. Once you apply for the rebate on the government's website and are deemed eligible by NRCan, we will send one of our trusted NRCan energy advisors to your home to complete a home energy assessment. Shortly after the completion of the home energy assessment, the energy advisor will provide you with a report that will recommend a series of home energy efficiency upgrades to your home that will need to be completed by a third party. And remember to keep all of your receipts throughout this entire process. Once the renovation upgrades are completed, the energy advisor will come back to your home for a final assessment and complete all the necessary paperwork to get approved for the anticipated rebates. Once the application is complete and submitted, it will take about 4 to 6 months for the rebate to arrive. And that's it. That is how you get energy rebates in Canada. And at Canada Energy Audit, we make getting rebates easy. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channels for more videos like this about energy efficiency. And as always, stay cool, my friends.